In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an RSS feed with Make.com. If you've ever wondered how to efficiently collect and manage all your favorite online content into one convenient stream, you're in the right place. An RSS feed can help you gather the latest updates from various sources, saving you the hassle of checking each one individually. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of each part along the way. Let's start by signing in to Make.com. If you're new to this platform, Make.com offers powerful automations to help connect and streamline a variety of digital services. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Scenarios section. This is your workspace, where all the magic happens. You'll want to click on Create a New Scenario. Think of a scenario as a sort of blueprint that outlines the processes and automations you want to perform. It's the foundation where you'll be building your RSS feed setup. Now that we've got the initial setup underway, it's time to add and configure your RSS module. On the canvas of your newly created scenario, you'll notice a small plus sign, typically situated at the top. Give that a click and a menu will appear. From here, you'll want to select RSS. This opens up a variety of options that relate to RSS functions. For this tutorial, our focus will be on choosing Watch RSS Feed items. As a quick explanation, this module will monitor specified RSS feeds for new items, which in essence means it will look out for any new updates from the sources you're interested in. Once selected, you'll need to configure the module. This is where you get to specify the URLs of the RSS feeds you're interested in. Perhaps it's a news website, a tech blog, or any online source that offers regular updates. Paste each URL into the appropriate field. Take your time to ensure each one is correct. Nothing's worse than setting everything up only to find a typo has caused a missed update. After adding the URLs, you'll have various configuration options to explore. You can decide how often the module should check for new items, which might depend on how frequently the sources you follow are updated. Play around with these settings until they suit your needs. Remember, you can always adjust them later as you become more familiar with how everything works together. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an RSS feed with Make.com. With this setup, you'll now have an organized and constantly updated stream of information from all your favorite digital sources. This seamless flow of content keeps you updated without the hassle of visiting each site individually. Start enjoying the efficiency and convenience that comes with this powerful automation tool. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks on maximizing your use of Make.com.